Welcome in our lecture number 14, Standard Operating Procedure for Training. Purpose: to enable working team including staff and workers capable of performing all applicable tools in the compliance system of AEC. AEC stands for Ali Engineering Company. This company name is used throughout our video channel as a fictitious company to enable and improve the performance of their subsystem supplier who have to deliver supplies in accordance with the related clause of AEC compliance system. Hence, to follow the policy and procedural terms in accordance to requirement of assessment, selection and performance appraisal of all suppliers and vendors to enlist wide the company approved list of supplier and vendors. Scope: this procedure is applicable company-wide. However, management may invite representative of their subsystem supplier nearby neighborhoods in context to corporate social responsibility to share special knowledge regarding safeties of human in unforeseen contingency situation. For example, occupational health and safety, emergency evacuation drill, firefighting, first aid. Responsibility: human resource in conjunction with process owners, department and or the section within the department are responsible to conduct training subject to availability of written management approval and overall implementation of this training system effectively and efficiently. Departmental heads, managers are responsible for implementation of section B of this procedure for skill development of workforce. Procedure: departmental head fill training request form and after getting management approval submit to HRD department. Any department can submit a revised training request form in the first month of each quarter of the fiscal year. The HR department, after collection of training request form from all departments and records the requirement on a single document called training needs evaluation company-wide. In accordance with training need assessment form, HR department prepare annual training planner and circulate this annual training planner with signature of HR manager to all concerns as specified in the format of annual training planner. This annual training planner issued either before start of the fiscal year or circulated to all concerned within first 2 weeks of the first quarter. In annual training planner, all trainings as specified for the first quarter are treated as confirmed plan, whereas in rest of 3 quarters all trainings will be treated as tentative plan. After completion of first quarter and start of second quarter, HR manager may revise and circulate updated annual training planner. With manager may revise and circulate updated annual training planner with the confirmed training for second quarter and tentative training in rest of 2 quarters. HR manager can circulate anytime the updated annual training planner with revised number and revised date of circulation purposely to add the interim training need if received in current quarter. Any revised schedule received from external training institution or from internal department of the company due to any reason. In annual training planner, all trainings are closed after accessing written post-training assessment form from respective departmental managers. In training assessment form, manager describe whether the trainee has successfully gained the learned knowledge and applied the same in his department. Employees are being assessed informally during training by trainer and formally after 3-month post-training assessment by immediate supervisor manager, and findings are being recorded by post-training assessment form. HR department maintains company approved list of internal trainer. In preparation of this list, HR manager consider the competency level, relevant professional education, past training records, industrial experience of the management staff in accordance with the standard policy of HR department. Department heads provide post training assessment maximum after 3 months and they will inform to HR or MR in case if they need further time for evaluation and assessment of training. Refresher courses of the internal training duly provided to management staff within last 6 months may be planned in next 6 months to 10 months for those management staff members who are not free to attend initial scheduled training due to their engagement. For example, annual leave, outstation working, or those who attended but their superior recommended need for refresher training. All training records, attendance, test paper, post training are being retained by HR manager and copies also provided to their respective respective managers and management representative for record and referral purpose. At AEC, other type of training such as orientation of new inductees, department group discussion and on-the-job trainings are not the part of annual training planner. As these training are fixed on monthly quarterly basis, the methodologies of these trainings are as under. Orientation to new inductees are the responsibility of department heads, whereas engineers and department heads are being oriented by the management, and after completion of orientation, inductees submit a written report regarding SWOT metrics and suggestion recommendation. This report also be treated as a referral document in the technical library. I am Syed Muhammad Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel AIMSAT. Kindly press subscribe button and also lightly press the bell icon so that you can get my every new video. Departmental group discussion. As per company policy, all departmental heads send invitation email to all departments with topic of departmental group discussion, date, time and venue. Any person or group from any department may attend this group discussion but not mandatory. Group discussion in each department is held once in a quarter. Duration of group discussion is maximum 30 minutes and venue might be the manager desk, office and maybe a small meeting room or the respective workstation subject to specific need. The objective of departmental group discussion are to share the specific departmental working procedure to cross-functional department. For example, inspection of coaxial tubes or inspection of the product, calibration, how to save energy cost, similarly safety, electrical hazards, 5S Kaizen and other tools and techniques are the part of group discussion. Department maintain their internal list of topic for departmental group discussion, and after completion of each departmental group discussion of the month, departmental heads sent a written report to HR department with the name of participants. Group discussion is not fully documented. No training assessment, training request and any other document is required except training attendance sheet, invitation email, annual topic shared by the departments. Internal library. At Ali Engineering Company, all technical literature, brochure, catalog, machine diagram, machine installation manual, product marketing, promotional material received from external machine and equipment suppliers, and books on engineering and management sciences are open to all technical staff for enhancing their knowledge. Technical department are the custodian of internal library. Employee personal professional development. The management of Ali Engineering encourage personal professional development activities of employees who continue their study, advanced study in evening or weekend program in parallel to their job. After completion of their study courses, HR department keeps the copies of their certificate and degrees in their personal file, record for their performance evaluation at the time of forthcoming appraisal. All departments as per management policy incorporate one quality objective related to their departmental training both for the management development and skill development program for workers. Section B. On the job training. Workmanship criteria like drawings, descriptive sheet and process data sheet, quality standard and work instruction are already provided and installed at all important work station within production shop, final inspection line, testing area, even at all important work station in support department. Supervisors and engineers continually provide job training in accordance with the workmanship criteria. Now, as per the company policy, all on-the-job training are being acknowledged by concerned worker and supervisor. All the job training are being recorded while on the job training for 5 minutes morning quality meeting. Before start of operation, workers of concerned department form a circle to report on important technical aspects regarding the importance outcomes observed in past day production. This short discussion start with recitation of short verses of Al-Quran, and in this short discussion, worker also exhibit the referral sample. For example, a worker reports and exhibits sample of non-conformity. At this platform, knowledge are being shared across the board within worker and management. After attending the 5 minutes meeting, all workers well aware and vigilant for the day operation accordingly. Probable non-conformities, accidents and other critical problems. Even in this short session, any worker best suggestion regarding Kaizen activity activity are also treated a tool of encouragement amongst from all. Internship program. Company offer to all engineering universities, academia and other technical institutions for internship program visit of delegation who visit for getting awareness and knowledge. AEC always welcome of the tomorrow and provide necessary information to fill the gap between academia and corporate sector. All engineering and management internees after completion of their internship program submit a written report to the management through respective department head with suggestion and recommendation for more improvement in company system, service and product. Job rotation at AEC system is in place to record the stage-wise training on productivity, quality, tools and process for all worker at his respective work stage and then incrementally shift next stages. Job rotation activities are being recorded form called job rotation. The main purpose of this job rotation is to develop skills on multiple areas with a specific assembly line process objectively to overcome any emergency situation like shortages of worker due to increased turnover rate or any other reason a trained workforce remain available. Skill metrics format are developed to record the skill metric of worker within technical and non-technical department. All level of skills are described by level of skills. Skill development program are being monitored directly by respective department who provide updated record with objective evidence to the auditors, head of HR management representative. In steering committee meeting or management review meeting, each and every department are by policy restricted to present their one quality objective on training in accordance with the SOP of quality objective monitoring or work instruction whichever be in place as a comprehensive referral document. Training attendance record. All classroom trainings, internal interactive workshops and participation in mock drill based practical trainings, internal audit, steering committee meeting are being recorded by training attendance sheets. Related document SOP for quality objective monitoring. Related quality records. Training need evaluation, annual training planner, post training assessment form, company approved list of internal trainer, on the job training form, job rotation, skill metric, level of skill, training attendance sheet. Distribution. All department management representative, managing director. Approval. Written by deputy manager human resource and training, reviewed by manager human resource and training, approved by director human resource and training. Approval date April 22, 2022. If you have any query, please feel free to contact with us on our given email address. Thank you for watching our video.